Just out on a little tour with my new friends, Kara and Walter, off the Blackcomb Glacier. Check us out.
Still dust.
Walter, tell us what we're doing.
We're skiing down this way. There's a lake.
Circle lake. Don't fall in the lake at the bottom.
Yeah.
This will be okay. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay, everybody, we're back here. GoPro Hot Moms. I just got a ride with the newest member of GoPro Hot Moms, Kara. And she's having a little snack. What did we just do?
Went up and over the back of the Spearhead Glacier, down into Circle Lake, and then back it up and over to Body Bag Bowl.
But you forgot, first we dropped the kiddos off at school.
Oh yeah, right.
On time with everything they needed, extra gear, extra clothes.
It's true.
And we remembered all of our own stuff. And then we went and did this like amazing ski tour on Blackcomb and
Super
skied
sweaty.
sick pow. And now we're already back on the chair. And what time is it?
11:45.
11:45. And then you're gonna go do some work. I have to go to the park and do some work and continue the day. And what is this snack?
Then we get the kids at 3 o'clock.
Yeah, and 3 o'clock.
Midday Squares. It's probably the best vegan,
It's vegan too?
healthy chocolate bar, protein bar. Yeah,
Where can you
Cookie
buy
dough.
them? Oh, you got one too?
Cookie dough flavor. New one.
Give me like a little piece.
of course.
If it's vegan.
Yeah.
Dark chocolate, please.
Pretty good.
Vegan. Yep. It's super healthy.
Whoa.
They're so good.